Welcome to Interior Design's YouTube channel. Thanksgiving home decoration ideas usher in the warmth and spirit of gratitude, turning our living space into inviting heavens for the holiday season. Embrace the rich colors of autumn with vibrant reds, oranges, and yellows, adorning tables with seasonal foliage, gourds, and pumpkins. A festive Thanksgiving centerpiece with candles and a cornucopia of harvest fruit becomes a beautiful reminder of abundance and blessings. Create a cozy and welcoming ambiance with soft throw blankets and decorative pillows in earthy tones, adding comfort and charm to the sofas and chairs. Hang wreaths on doors and walls, crafted with fall leaves, pecans, and seasonal flowers, extending the festive cheer to the home's exterior. Incorporate rustic elements such as bulwark, table runners, or wooden placement to evoke a sense of warmth and simplicity. Personalized name cards at each place setting show thoughtfulness and care for a guest. Display gratitude, themed artwork, or inspirational quotes on walls remind everyone of the true meaning of the holiday. Utilize scents candles with antimonine fragrance such as cinnamon or pumpkin spice to fill the air with delightful scents of the season. Thanksgiving home decoration ideas celebrate the beauty of antimonine and the importance of gathering together in gratitude, creating a joyful and welcoming atmosphere for cherished moments with family and friends. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe and like Interior Designs channel.